You guys for tuning back in with me today. Today I have a very special treat for you guys. We're going to be making smothered cabbage. I'm going to give you all the ingredients. Not going to keep you too long. Easy, flavorful, good meal. Come on in, let me show you. Okay, so we have the main attraction of the meal. We have a whole head of cabbage. We have bell peppers, multicolor. Of course, you can see the orange, green, red. We're going to be cooking up some good old crispy bacon. I have some smoked sausage. And then we have our seasonings. We have the Italian seasoning I'm going to be using, garlic powder, Lowry seasoning, and some kosher salt. Because the bacon grease is going to have that flavor too, and you don't want to overpower your cabbage. You don't want to overpower it, okay? So I already got everything already cut up and prepared. I did do a clip to let you guys see how I did that. We're going to go ahead and get started with the cabbage. So what I did already with the cabbage, guys, is I already cut off some of the core. So I just took one end, cut it off, and peeled it back. I haven't rinsed it yet because when I rinse it off, I want to get all the cabbage inside. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to cut up your cabbage. Of course, for you beginners, make sure you cut the board here. And we're going to get the cut, okay? So any kind of hard core part, you don't want in. You want to be able to take that out, okay? Any core part, you're just going to take it out, and you're going to put those stragglers to the side. And then you're going to cut them up in large pieces first, so you can make sure you don't have any hard lettuce, or I'm sorry, hard cabbage to be cooking, okay? So you're gonna make sure you always take the hard core part out. Start off in big chunks, makes it easier for you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut up the whole cabbage. No hard core parts. Any kind of hard core parts, you're going to set those to the side. Sometimes the cabbage just falls off. See the hard core? You don't want to mess with that. You're going to leave that right to the side. You go around it. Okay? And we're done. So at this point, you're going to go ahead and start cutting up your lettuce. Put it in like a draining bowl or a bowl so that you can get ready to rinse it off. Try to cut it up as fine as you can. Follow these steps, and I'll be back. So I have chopped up the lettuce, see, in small pieces, smaller pieces, and rinsed it off real good. If you have a strainer, that makes it even better. So what we're gonna do first, guys, we're gonna go ahead and fry up this bacon. I'm gonna show you all the way in the pan on how to fry up the bacon. So you wanna get that bacon going. I already chopped it up. Okay. You wanna cook that until it's brown and done. Okay. Okay, guys, so since the bacon has been cooking for a few minutes, you want that to get more done, I'm going to incorporate the sausage. That good old bacon grease, I'm going to incorporate it together with the sausage. Now keep in mind, you don't have to use regular bacon. Turkey sausages, for those of you who don't eat pork, that's a good thing that you can do. You can use turkey meat. Okay, we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Let that bacon keep cooking, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys, so this is done. The bacon is done, and the sausage is done. So you want to get you a utensil that kind of strains the grease, and you want to put that to the side. Look at that. Smells delicious in here. Okay? So after we finish with that, we want to go ahead and put that to the side. And we want to start on our vegetables. So you're going to take the same grease that you cook your sausage or bacon in, and you're going to put your vegetables. Now, some people want onions. You can apply that. That'll give it a good flavor as well. Small chopped up onions will be good. So now, I have my vegetables going. We're going to start adding some of those flavors and seasonings that I gave you guys, okay? Now, you want to cook your vegetables down. You don't want them hard, so it'll take a couple minutes here, okay? So you want to get them cooked down. Thank you, Jessica. This was sponsored by Jessica Special. I am sorry for the things I said when I was hungry. Very adorable. Okay, guys. So I let the peppers cook down for about a good 6-7 minutes because you don't want them crunchy. Okay, I'm going to incorporate back the bacon and sausage. Give it a little mix. Look at that. And now we're going to take the cabbage. We're going to take it and you're going to incorporate it. Okay. Now keep in mind, you have a lot, put a little in and put your top on because it's going to dissolve. Okay, it's going to be where you can fit it all in, so don't panic. Let me add my seasoning. Okay, and we're going to cook it down a little bit. So you want to cook it down for maybe like 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rest, okay? Because I don't want to overflow my pan. So I'm going to cook it down about 2 to 3 minutes and put the rest in. Come back and show you. Okay, guys. It is finished. It's finished. Look at that. So you want to make sure that your cabbage is nice and tender and done, okay? I'm going to take me a spoonful right out of the pan to show y'all. It smells delicious in here. There you go, guys. Let's see. Try this recipe. It is awesome. I hope you enjoy. Everybody be blessed. Thank you.